Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to download Temu app on your device. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up App Store. Here on search bar, search for Temu Temu. Now here tap on it. And here you go, you can see Temu app. Simply tap and get button in order to download it. Now you need to double click to install. You need to double click your right side button and then recognize your face. Or you can tap install button here, type in your password. Once you're done, tap on sign in button. So now it starts downloading. Once it's completed, tap on open button in order to open Temu app. So this is how you can download Temu app on your device. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.